just come onto this website, copy the title of that particular question, then use this awesome tool to get yourself answer, and then after that just simply collect your money that you've just earned, and you're gonna be making a lot of money for doing absolutely minimal tasks from the comfort of your bed. Today is a wonderful day and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, I'm back with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make money online from Google in 2021 as a complete beginner, all just by searching online. To be precise, you can make upwards of up to hundreds of dollars every single day, all just by using your computer and your internet connection on these awesome websites that I'm about to show you. The other great thing about this method is that it works worldwide, and this is really fresh, so it's gonna work through 2021 as well. You absolutely need no skill or any experience whatsoever for this. Only your computer and a little bit of your time is all that you need. All that you need to do is just watch this particular video till the end with full focus and you will understand everything. So guys, make sure to stick around till the very end of this video and not skip anything, because only then will you be able to fully understand how this method works and you will be able to make the most out of it. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to mindsumo.com. Now guys, mindsumo.com is gonna be the website that we are gonna be using for this particular method. Now guys, what is Mindsumo? So Mindsumo is basically a website where creative people share different ideas to solve different problems. So basically people have listed their problems over here and they are ready to pay a lot of money for people to solve their problems, and you can just simply tell them the solutions of their problems and you can make a lot of money from that. Now guys, you must be thinking, how will we be able to tell answers to people about topics we don't understand anything about? Well guys, honestly, you do not need to understand anything, because I'm gonna share a bot with you through which you can find yourself awesome answers and you will not have to deal with any thinking whatsoever. So before we do that guys, I'm gonna go over the website really quick. So over here we can see that they have been delivering for the world's biggest brands, including Mercedes-Benz, Shell, Ally, Intuit, Spotify, Microsoft, Nestle. All these brands have used Mindsumo for their help. So if you take a look over here on all the things that they are offering and like all the potential that they are offering you guys, so over here we can see that people will pay you anywhere from $160 to $1,600 to even $800, $1,600, $800, $1,000, and even $2,000 to $3,000 depending upon how intense the task is. So guys, what I want you to do now is that simply click on the top right corner where it says login/sign up, and that will take you over here. So over here just simply choose Facebook or Twitter to sign in with, and you are done. So guys, once you are done with the sign up process, I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. It is very similar to how it was previously, but the only difference is that you can now actually bid on jobs. So at the left side you have these different filters. What I want you to do now is that simply click on computer science, because that is going to be the easiest basically niche to solve problems in. So over here we have campus analytics paying us $20,000 for different problems, and we have like a lot of other ideas as well. So I'm simply going to choose one question. Just take your time to go through these questions and find the one which you think is the most generic and the most easy to answer with. So what's your great idea for a mobile app that empowers women? So guys, I think that this is a very nice topic because many people are searching for this. But over here we also have Mozilla. Like the official company is asking a question that what's your idea for a Firefox extension for promoting credible content? And then we also have, can you improve the way Canada communicates its weather information? Like these are all very creative ideas, and people definitely pay a pretty penny for this. So over here I see this one. How do you want to use VR/AR in the next 5 to 10 years? Now guys, this question is gonna be very easy to deal with because we can potentially find a lot of answers for this. And also, how can AI help us ride? So I'm gonna choose this one because this is the most generic. So I'm simply gonna click on it and that will take me to over here. So guys, if I were to deliver an answer for this, then I can make $1,600. So guys, essentially if you were to deliver the answer for this particular question, you can make yourself $1.6 thousand. And guys, that is all for absolutely free for not doing any work at all. And now guys, I'm gonna show you how you can find answers for these questions. So what I want you to do now is that I want you to go to a website called Quora.com. Now guys, Quora is gonna be the core of this whole method. So I'm simply gonna type in Quora over here, and then after that simply open the first link. Now open the first link and then simply copy this question and then paste it over here in Quora search bar. Now once you paste it over here, just simply wait for it and you will have all these different things come up. So over here simply click on the first one and you will see a lot of different answers for this particular question. So I'm simply gonna wait up over here and I'm gonna search even more, and I will definitely find a question with a very nice answer. So if you can't find an answer on Quora for some reason, what you can do is that simply search this on Google, and then once you search this, simply open up the first article and then just simply copy this whole article, and then you can simply copy and paste it. Now guys, you can even like search around other links too. So over here we have one link from Quora too. So if I were to open this up, I can see an answer over here, and this answer is pretty nice as well. So what I can do now is that I want you to just simply copy this whole article, and I want you to then come over on Google Docs. Now guys, once you've copied this, I want you to come over here, type in docs.google.com. Now guys, once you type in this, it will take you over here. Now click on blank and this page loads up. So over here simply paste the content of the article that you just copied. Now what you can do is that you can simply like label it, how will AI like help us write better, and you can then just simply name this document to whatever the name of your particular question was. So simply copy this, come over here, and then simply rename this document to this. So like this will give you a professional approach, and then you can use Grammarly or like any other website to proofread all of this. So once you have all of this, simply copy this again, come over here on Google, type in Grammarly proofread. Now once you type in this, simply click on the first article, simply click on the first link that comes up. Now over here what I want you to do is that I want you to paste the text that you just copied from your article. So simply click on new and then paste your article over here, and then basically Grammarly is gonna do all the work for you, and it will fix out all the mistakes. Like it will show you all the mistakes on the right side, and you can just simply click on them all day long, and you can just simply fix all these mistakes up. So once you have fixed all of these mistakes, what you can do now is that simply click on share and then simply copy the link of your particular article. And then once you have the link of this article, I want you to come back over here, simply submit the answer, and you are all done. Now if they like your answer, they will pay you the $1,600, and you can do the very same things for all the different answers present over here, and you can follow the same step for all of them. Guys, this method is literally all up for grabs, and guys, I'm gonna do this for another question now, and I'm gonna show you how fast it really is. So over here, I'm gonna come back over here, I'm simply gonna go to a question, and I am going to pick a question really quick to show you how it all works. So guys, simply find a good question exactly according to your liking, and then just simply click on it, and once you'll click on it, simply copy the name of the question, and then simply come on to Google, paste it over here, and then open up the first or the second link. Now guys, depending upon what you type in, the links might be different. You might not always find an answer on Quora, but guys, medium.com is another awesome website. So guys, the same process, copy all of this, simply come back to docs.google.com, paste it over here, and then once you paste it over here, if you see any mistakes on this particular article whatsoever, what you can do is that simply come back to Grammarly, and that will fix up everything. But this article does not have any mistakes, and I can just simply click on share, copy this, and I can then just simply come back on MindSumo and submit it. Guys, that is literally the whole process. There's absolutely nothing more to it, and guys, this is literally waiting for you guys to jump in and take a hold of it, because honestly, this is really easy. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go out there and just do it, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys faced any problems or any confusions at all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.